everyone, welcome back to Spaces We Love, and I'm your host P. Wamboi. I am in Lower Kabete today along the Lower Kabete Road. For those who are not aware of Lower Kabete, it is just about 15 minutes to Westlands, and what we have here are the affordable units. We have the studios going from 1.85 million Kenya shillings. We also have this one bedroom that I'm going to show you just now with the size of 42.7 square meters from Kenya shillings 4 million. So let's get right into it, starting from the door as usual. So getting right into it, we have this amazing and very safe door right here with a biometric feature. You can put your pin here. You can also use your fingerprint to open the door. Then you get inside. You are met with a nice console table here, and this wall that you can play around with. Even if you want to put maybe a decker here, then this is the place to do it. Excuse the kind of noise because we are in the middle of a construction. This development is currently under construction. It just broke ground about a month ago. So what we have right now is just a few units remaining, because if you are aware of Westland, then you're aware of Lower Kabete and the demand that we have around here. We have a lot of professionals who would want to reside around this area, so they can take advantage of the accessibility to Westlands and all the amenities that are around here. Also, the weather is amazing. We have some nice greenery here. We have some nice access route to places like Karura Forest and the Village Market, or you can go to Sarit Center in Westlands. We can go to Two Rivers here, just about a radius of 15 minutes in all of these places. So getting right into it, of course, now we have your kitchen area here. I love the fact that they were keen to provide this cooker top here, and the quality of finishes is so good. I think this developer chose this particular area because he saw the niche, he saw the demand that we have right here, and he decided to go all out in terms of providing even quality finishes and quality housing for residents around here. I like this sink, the way it is round and stainless steel. They made sure to also provide some adequate storage space here, and also the wardrobes, the drawers on the upper level. I mean, they are going to also provide this hood extractor, which is really good if you are making your meals here. You don't want all the smoke and all the steam to be going to the rest of the room, so you can use this. And I realized something, that this is actually something that you need in your house, because the power that it uses is very minimal, so you don't have to be really worried about the usage of power in your home when you have that. Then getting inside the rest of the unit, we have your lounge area here. Then of course you can decide to put a dining here. I don't know, I'm not so sure whether this is something I would want if I'm staying here to have such a dining. I think I will go for the smaller bar stools and maybe have like a bar area here that I can use as breakfast island, and also as serve as my dining, so just so I can have more space in the one bedroom. But anyway, still staging looks very good. The seat, you can tell it's quite big. It's a 3-seater, fits very well, of course, and the coffee table also. So this just gives you an idea of the space that you're working with. The fact that you still have a TV console here, and you can mount your TV, or you can put it as it is here. That is really awesome. Then on this side, this is a show house, so we are right at the road, just so you know, because the developer wanted to show the kind of finishes that they are going to be providing, the kind of spaces that they have, and I'm telling you, everything here is speaking value for money. So right now I'm going to the balcony, and then I want to get to the other side so you can see the concept of this balcony. So meet me on the other side. Here we go, there. So right now I'm in the bedroom. I love the space here. Oh my gosh, I love the space. I love the high ceiling. I love the gypsum ceiling. I love the recessed lights all around, giving it that natural lighting. And I can tell that they're going to provide the the big windows. I mean, just provide good lighting. And the fact that when I close this door, you no longer feel, or rather you no longer hear the noises. So this means that the doors are kind of soundproof, which is really good. The sockets, the color is so cute, gold. I think that's very nice. I mean, this is a nice and spacious bedroom. The size of the bed already shows me that the space is quite sufficient, having the 2 bar stools on the other side. Then of course they made sure to provide kind of like a glass wardrobe door here, which is very minimalistic and very, very functional. And of course this I think it's like a console. You can use it to put your makeup here, or if you are a gentleman, of course you can have your mirror here. And yeah, there's so much you can do about this house. So where I'm getting into right now they are going to provide like a sliding door right here. So I'm getting to the washroom side, so you can access this washroom from the bedroom, and you can also access it from the living area. I'll show you that in a few minutes. So of course I like the sink, the medicine cabinet here, really, really nice. Of course the rack, and you can also place your washing machine here. I think they're also going to provide like a cubicle here. Maybe next time when I get here I'll be able to show you. They're going to have a cubicle here for your shower. Of course they made sure to provide the window for your steam when you're showering. They don't want the whole house to be full of steam. So I want you to go to the other side so I can be able to meet you and show you the concept of this Jack and Jill. There we go. So you can access the washroom from the living area or the balcony. So I've just met you from the front door once again. I want to go to the studio. Follow me so I can show you what we should expect from that side. I like the positioning of the fingerprint thing. Very, very good. So this is the studio. So right here we have your kitchenette, of course provided with your cooker top and your hood extractor, and of course a sink here. Really, I'm a fan of this sink. It's very minimalistic. I think the way it's round, very functional. Then getting straight after the kitchenette, provided with your cabinets and everything, you can have your fridge here. They provided a socket. Then getting inside, I mean, you can feel the coziness. I think one thing that I really like about how developers are bringing out the studio apartments is they are kind of giving it the decency that we initially never had here in Nairobi. I mean, the spaces that they provide, they are able to give you even a space where you can have your seat, because they understand that, I mean, you, as much as you want to, if you're a startup and you just can afford a small space, you still want some amenities and some features in your space. We have a nice wardrobe on this side. Then the couch makes it very, very cozy for a studio. You can have space for your coffee table here, and I think I'm seeing myself putting a big screen there. I mean, we are in Nairobi. You have to have a screen for you to enjoy daily news. Then on this other side, we have your bed. I like the size of the bed, very comfortable. You don't have to squeeze a tiny bed here just because you're living in a studio, which is really, really good. This is a nice space for students, especially the fact that we do have UON, University of Nairobi, just 5 minutes from here, Lower Kabete. We also have Kenya School of Government, same location, 5 minutes from here. So this will attract a lot of students that are coming towards this side. Love everything about this house. The large window giving the whole space good lighting, and of course the gypsum, the high ceiling, making the whole space feel bigger and really, really functional. Also love the kind of tiles that they chose for this area. I mean, the color tones are really, really popping and very, very nice. There's something I've not shown you. I want to show you the washroom. I'm sure that's something you've been thinking about, like where are the washrooms? Let me show you where that is tucked in. So we have this sliding door. It is glass. I love the frosting here. This is where your washroom is tucked in. We have your toilet seat right here. Then on the other side is where we have the shower. They'll probably put a barricade right here to separate the shower end. the toilet, and of course we have your nice sink here and a mirror provided, and of course a window right at the top. So yeah, that's it about this development. The amenities, you must be wondering what amenities that are being provided here that are a bit extra to make your lifestyle very comfortable and give you that modern and city living feel when you have, whether you've bought it for investment or you're the one moving in here, then you want that city living feel here. We are talking about a gym. We have a backup generator, which is really important. We have 24-hour CCTV. We have a borehole for water, high-speed lifts, that is very important. We have internet cables provided. We have refreshing areas where I think those are the greenery and green areas that they're going to have around. Indoor activity areas. We have a gaming room. That is so important, especially the fact that I mentioned that we might have students around here. We have some social corridors, a tracking range, access control systems, convenience store, and many more. So please feel free to let me know what you think about this development. We are talking about very affordable prices from Kenya shillings 1.85, and for the one bedrooms we have them from 4 million. Really affordable. We have most of the high floor units already sold, so right now we have very few units available, and I hope to hear from you. This is my number, give me a call. Bye bye.